What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to change out the Delta molding for 2008 Kia Sportage. These are those little plastic things that are on the side of the window. Yeah, over time they get brittle and they crack, and I'm going to show you how to change them out. I JB welded mine and put like shoe glue. So let's go change it out. Okay, so this is the panel that holds the molding. There's probably going to be like 2 clips that hold it. All you're going to do is pry it open or pull it. If you don't want to crack this, be gentle and pry it open, not pulling it. But yeah, after you take that out, this should come off easy, and all you gotta do is replace it. I'm gonna try to show you that in a bit. Let's go. So there's gonna be 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. I pre-loosened mine, but what I like to do is I start off here and here, and I slowly pry it open. All right, 3 clips, but there's also 1 on top. So I would recommend pull it out this way and kind of pop the last clip out. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where it kind of clips in, and these are the 3 clips where the tabs go. Right when you pluck that out, it should be easier for you to take out the Delta molding for this 2008 Kia Sportage. For me, since I kind of JB welded and shoe glued mine, because it was cracking. Because over time, it's hot here in Guam, it cracks. I like glued mine kind of on, so I'm just gonna take it out, crack it off, and then I'm gonna replace it with a new one. And it should come out. See, mine again is really old and it cracks, very brittle. But for yours, maybe right when you take out that first panel that's inside, it should come off really easy. Mine, I kind of JB welded, glued it on, as you can see. Thus, and there you go. What I like to do always is show you the old part with the new part. Alright, so we got the old part. It's all cracked and worn out because of overtime, plastic, and so forth. And then now we got the new part for the left hand side. This is for Kia and Hyundai. This is genuine parts, OEM. So this was hard to find, so I got mine on Amazon. And yeah, look how clean it is, compared to the old part. Old, new. See it? As always, if it's in pairs, change it out both at the same time. I'm going to do the same side as well for this video. So yeah, let's put this in. It's pretty easy. What I forgot to mention is after you take off the panel, so right here's the panel, right when you take that out and you pluck out the pins, between these rubber is screws that you're going to have to want to unscrew to take out the outside Delta molding. Of course mine was already cracked, but yeah, so you're gonna have to unscrew these. 1, 2, and 3. Save those screws because you're gonna use it for the new one. Alright, so you saw the 3 screws. I'm just gonna unscrew them, and then I'm gonna keep the screws. That's 2, 3. Pretty easy. You take out the panel, unscrew the 3 screws, and it should come out to you. Alright, so here we have the new part for the Delta mold. So we're just gonna put it on. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is see the rubber part for the glass. You want to kind of lock it in with the Delta molding, and then just gotta find the right. What I'm doing right now is I'm sliding it in, and like I said, there's like a rubber molding for the window. I'm trying to hook it in so it holds it down. There you go. I don't know, see, like I didn't screw it in yet, but it's in, and now it's flushed with the door. So now those 3 screws that we took out, we're just gonna screw them back on. Yeah. Alright, so that's how you change the Delta molding for your 2008 Kia Sportage. Yep. So yeah, you saw me click it back in and it's flushed. And this is the new one. As you can see, it's also flushed in. and it's not cracked or anything. It's beautiful as like a brand new one. Also, this is the molding that I'm trying to say. You gotta lock it in, kind of, you know. Yeah, look at that. Yep. And if you didn't know, well, now you know. This is called the Delta molding for a 2008 Kia Sportage on the door, you know. So yeah, brand new. I already do everything that we did, but on the other side. Alright, so we're on the other side, which is the right hand side of the 2008 Kia Sportage that we're going to change the Delta molding on. Everything that you saw in the previous minutes of this video is pretty much what I'm going to do here, but opposite. I'm going to just fast forward this, but remember, you're going to take out the panel first, and then you're going to unscrew the 3 screws, and then this Delta molding should come off, and then just replace it with a new one. Alright, so I got the new right hand side for this, and like I said, to put these in, these Delta moldings for your 2008 Kia Sportage, what you're going to do is kind of push it in here, and then try to get the mold of the window there, and it should pinch in, like that. All you gotta do is just mold from the side. And now you're ready to put the panel on. Alright, so as you push it in and it locks, you're going to see if it's flushed and so forth. And when it is flushed, you're going to want to put the screws back, the 3 screws. Alright, so after you screw it in, of course, you know, you're just going to pop this bad boy in. So you hear all 3 click. And you're done. You know, that's how you change the that's how you change out the Delta moldings for a 2008 Kia Sportage. Most people don't have that problem. I had that problem. On Guam, it's really hot. The plastic tends to crack. So yeah, I had to get mine on Amazon. And yeah, in case you had that same problem, it's called Delta moldings for 2008 Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was quick and helpful, and gave you some info of how to change it out and so forth. Peace out. I'm Mark.